Okay, this is the class that I made in that last video. Okay, this grade 9 math. Remember, we have our class code up here, and so now I can actually start posting things. I do have students, okay, and so you see that there's these actions here, but it's grayed out. Okay, so there's nothing to do yet, but if I click on a student, then there are actions available. So I can email, I can remove or mute that student from commenting. Okay, and so you can do that for all of your students. If you wanted to just email, you can go to this menu right there and email student. If you actually click on a student, it will show a brief synopsis of all of the assignments. Okay, so you can select handed in, returned, or any missing assignments, or all for that student.